In this lesson, we will discuss the key concepts and technologies that enable AI, such as natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and machine learning. We will cover the basics of these technologies and their applications in AI. Natural language processing NLP is a branch of AI that deals with the interaction between computers and human languages, such as speech and text. NLP techniques include tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, named entity recognition, and sentiment analysis. Applications of NLP include chatbots, speech recognition, machine translation, and text-to-speech systems. Computer vision is a branch of AI that deals with how computers can interpret, understand, and analyze visual information from the world, such as images and videos. Techniques used in computer vision include image recognition, object detection, and image segmentation. Applications of computer vision include facial recognition, object tracking, and autonomous vehicles. Robotics is the branch of AI that deals with the design, construction, and operation of robots. Robotics technology includes sensors, actuators, and controllers that enable robots to interact with their environment. Applications of robotics include industrial automation, medical robots, and autonomous vehicles. Machine learning is a branch of AI that deals with the ability of computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning techniques include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Applications of machine learning include image recognition, speech recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. In summary, NLP and computer vision technologies are used to enable computers to understand and process human languages and visual information respectively. Robotics technology enables the design and construction of intelligent machines that can sense and act in the real world. Machine learning enables the creation of systems that can learn and improve over time. All these technologies are used to create intelligent systems that can understand, reason, learn, and act. They are applied in various industries such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and retail to improve efficiency, automation, and decision-making.